Hello everybody, it's Amiga Rob here, and today I'm going to be looking at this Salter metallic electronic scale, which I picked up in Sainsburys a couple of weeks ago. Mentioned it in the video but didn't show it. They also had another one on there, I think it was called the acrylic, which was £6, which I preferred the design of, but it only went up to 3 kilograms, and I think this one is, I think it's 8 kilograms. This one goes up to, yeah, 8 kilograms with 1 gram of tolerance, I think. So yeah, I fancied this one, so I went for it, and it was I don't think too bad a price at £10 it was. There's also one called Glass, which is a square one, which is available in Tesco at the minute for £10 on clearance, and I don't know if that is any good, but this is one I'm going to be looking at, so I will go ahead and take it out. And the reason I went for this one that had up to 8 kilograms was because I can use that for postage as well. If I can get this out at all. It's supposed to come with batteries, so it should work all straight out the box. Alright. That is quite. Oh, it's got like, looks quite blue actually. Or is that just? Oh, I think it's just because it is metallic. Yeah, and it looks like. Has it got a scratch? No, it's got like a plastic thingy over the top, which I normally don't remove, but because I'm strange, I'm one of these people that would keep plastic on furniture, but it's coming off. There we go. Oh yeah, it is metallic. Yeah, they seem to be naming all this. I didn't realise it was that metallic. It doesn't, like a mirror. Blimey. Didn't show that in the photo. I can't say it looks like that. Definitely doesn't look like that in the photo. It looks like it's got a matte finish in the photo. I definitely would have probably gone for the black one, even though it was low temperature, if I known that. I'm not sure I like that. I suppose it might make my kitchen look bigger. Anyway, that's how do I switch it on? He says, there's a tab. It takes a CR. Blimey, that's a tough one to get out. We'll pull it out. How would you remove that? I don't know how you change the battery. It looks like you'd have to break those tabs to get it. God, blimey. Hang on, it's coming out. There we go. Oh, it will come out. You just have to push down and pull up. Right, I thought they designed it so with built-in obsolescence. So yeah, that is incredibly reflective. Incredibly reflective. So, okay. So let's have a look here. Wow, I much would have preferred it with the matte finish which they had on the £6 one. I might have to go and look at the glass. It's nowhere near as nice as I thought it was. I mean, that does not match that at all. Clearly shows a matte finish on that. Anyway, let's see if we can zero it. I think it's about right. Okay. Right, it's zeroed now. What's that say? Tear. Don't know what that means. Oh, well, let me change the units there. I should do it with this hand, really. Fluid ounce. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be able to measure water as well. I don't know if I can be bothered to try that. That looks like millilitres, ounces, fluid ounce, grams. That's what I'm interested in. So I'll chuck something on that I've got a rough idea what it weighs. I'm not like Big Clive, I don't have calibrated weights. Let's chuck that on. So that should be 500 grams, and it's telling me it's 509, which isn't impossible because I guess spaghetti is a fairly random thing. It's got to be at least 500, I guess. And that one's telling me it's 513. Okay. Is there anything I've got here which I know the weight of? It would have been a good idea if I was prepared. No, I don't think there is anything I've got. I've got no weight. I did actually have a set of weights around, but they've gone. Well, let's see how much it says this other packet of pasta is. Well, that's a 507. Well, that could be one piece of pasta. So I guess if we put them all together, that should be 122, which is slightly more than I was expecting. 121 is what I was expecting, and then that. 134. Yeah, it's quite a bit. Well, I don't know what more to say about that. Very disappointed by the finish, to be honest. 16 grams for my Lego. I should have said when I reviewed these base plates the other day, these ones are a really good fit for this set, the exosuit set. It doesn't come with a base plate, so I'll be looking at that again in the future, I think. Yeah, 16 and a bit grams. Okay. The answer is, the question about this is it good value for money? Well, I'd have to say £10, it's not bad to have a set of scales, but it looks, I mean, bear in mind it's called metallic, and it clearly has a matte finish on the picture. Clearly. I mean, that is a matte finish. It's as simple as that. The actual thing looks absolutely nothing like it. It's the different colour, unless that was reflecting the top of a something metallic. I mean, it's not. It's like a mirror finish. So Salter, no wonder they're dumping these things out. I definitely would have gone for the one with the 3 kilogram limit because it looked much better than the square one, acrylic. So yeah, I'm really disappointed with that. Really disappointed. I mean, it seems to measure weight sort of okay. I'm not entirely convinced it's bang on the money. So yeah, I'm very disappointed. The box is much better than the actual product. Tempted to take it back. I think I might do actually, because that is nothing, absolutely nothing like the like the picture. Well, shame on you, Salter. Shame on you. Feel free to like, dislike or subscribe. Bye bye.